Whew, look at how much more flushed my face is. I'm telling you, do your nursery sooner than later. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are finally doing the nursery tour, even though I feel like it's only 97% of the way complete. I don't know if it's ever gonna be fully complete with the state of the world and the state of my energy. I am currently 32 weeks pregnant. I feel like I'm 40. I feel like I am to the end of my rope. I'm wearing a beach cover up and socks with sandals. Let me show you. This is the look. This is the only thing that fits really right now that I haven't worn 1,000 times. I'm swollen, I'm out of breath, and I feel like I don't want to jinx it, but she's gonna most likely make an early entrance, so we got to get this nursery tour done. And as always, if you liked today's video, make sure to give it a like, show some love, leave a comment. It helps my channel out a lot. And I'll stop rambling. I know, we just want to see the nursery. I'm really happy with how it turned out. My inspo was kind of like boho, mid-century modern, but like really light and airy, like light colors. I just wanted a room that felt happy and clean. And I feel like I achieved that. This is actually our bedroom, and then we have like this weird office den, perfect nursery situation. It's a small room, there's no closet. We have a bathroom right there, but I mean, is this not the perfect nursery size? This angle gives you a good kind of like overview. The only thing I'm still really waiting on is the light fixture, but I think we got scammed. It was ordered like 8 weeks ago and it's still not here. I mean, obviously there's a lot going on in the world, but where's my light fixture? Other than that, I'm really happy with how it turned out. Let me actually take you inside. Hello, and let me go over everything. On the first wall, all we really have going on is this dresser situation. The dresser we have is a PB Teen and West Elm collaboration. It matches our crib. It was an investment piece, but I feel like this is a piece that will last for a really long time. It's not really gonna go out of style. It is, of course, like the mid-century modern, but it's not like overly mid-century modern. On top of the dresser, I kept it really simple. Like I didn't really want anything that didn't have a purpose in here. Like you'll notice even my pillows have a purpose. So we have the Kikaroo right here, or the Peanut. It's a really cool option for a changing pad. This way I don't have to buy like a bunch of disposable covers. I can just wipe it down when I'm done. And then we do have one fun thing over here. We have like a little stuffed llama, but next to our llama is a bunch of essentials. So this is just a diaper caddy from Walmart. I wanted all of her essentials into a caddy because while she'll be in here at some point, she's gonna be in our bedroom, so this will go on my nightstand. In the beginning, it's easy to carry. I did, next to her changing pad, kind of do a little stock up of newborn diapers and some wipes. It's definitely like very full right now, but I just really have no idea like how many diapers to keep on hand. Next to her changing pad, don't really know the deal yet. And next to this drawer over here, I eventually want this to be like another health drawer, but for now I really just have her newborn clothes in here. I actually bought dividers and they're too big for this drawer. I figured she's probably gonna be in this for only a couple of months, so I'm not even gonna worry about making it perfect. But again, I plan on making this a like health drawer in a couple months after she's here and she fits into her 0 to 3 month, and I think I have like H&M 2 to 4 month in here. Over here, I have a bunch of like basic onesies, mostly from H&M. I have like a cute little like summer romper. There's a sleeper over here, and then this is like mostly pajama-like stuff, and then I have this is like her shirts and her pants. These storage organizers I ended up getting from Amazon. I'll put them down below. Oh shoot, this bottom drawer is actually pretty messy too, because this is like her 6-month stuff. I haven't even really washed it. I put the stuff over here that like I have washed, but some of the stuff over here is even like up to a year. Like I just have stuff where like gifts, so yeah, they go like all the way up to I think 18 months. Like I was even able to do a drawer of all of like her shoes and her socks. I have some bows for her in here. I have some hats that match her little onesies. She has some binkies in here. She has like little rattlers and toys. And then some swaddles. We have one from Solly Baby. And then in the bottom here, I have like a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. I have backup boppy covers. I have some bottles, some Belly Bandit stuff for me after birth, extra crib sheets. I have some of the Swaddle Me swaddles, and then I also have swaddles for when she's like a little bit bigger. Oh my god, you guys. I'm so out of breath from showing you that. Ooh, hold on. I need a pregnant second. I gotta tell you, if you're pregnant and you are doing your nursery and anyone tells you you're doing it too soon, you are not doing it soon enough. I started doing the nursery, I think at like 16 weeks, and I'm so happy I did because after the 3rd trimester, things are so much harder. Over in this section, you can see I have my little glider. I got this off Amazon. I love it. I'll link it down below. Over here, this is a side table that was actually like an old side table I had in a different life, a different bedroom, and I didn't want to invest into a new one, and I think it works pretty well in here. It is from Urban Outfitters. I think they still do sell it. The towel isn't the most ambiance at the bottom. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with this, but I'm sure at some point I'll need a towel. Then I have a little wicker bin from Target filled with Burt's Bees burp cloths. I got them in white so I could like bleach them and clean them and just have them be perfect, but then I realized babies probably don't do well with bleach, so I might have just ruined my life with that. Let me know in the comments down below. Then we have a little elephant guy for ambiance. I'll probably move this and have this just be like a glass of water or maybe like a haka, some breastfeeding stuff because I'll probably do my feeding in this chair. These curtains and even the rod is just from HomeGoods. It's gonna be one of those things where you just, you know, randomly find at one of those stores. And then I have my boppy. Fun fact, because I bought the dresser from West Elm, I got like rewards points through their key rewards credit that I got from that. I was able to get the boppy and the cover plus another cover for free. So, you know, if you ever see those rewards, just sign up. Don't sign up for a credit card, but the rewards, yes. So this was from PB Teen, but PB Teen, Baby, West Elm, and I think some CB2, they're like all connected. And then this blanket was a gift from my friend. It is from Barefoot Dreams. It is so nice. They are very expensive. I don't know if I would have invested it for myself, but now that I have it as a gift, I'm obsessed. Okay, next let's talk about the big elephant in the room before we talk about the big bear. I get so many questions about this wallpaper. It is like a peel and stick. It is from Loomwell. I am obsessed. It is super easy to use. We did end up hiring someone to put it up, but Loomwell legit has the cutest wallpaper for nurseries. This is the Arrow wallpaper. There are like 20 different ones I would have loved just as much in here. I just thought this was like so chic and boho and cute. Okay, I needed a break from holding the camera and I'm sure I was starting to get shaky, but let's move on to the crib. It is from the same collection as the dresser from PB Teen, West Elm. And this crib in particular, and a lot of their cribs come with a conversion kit for a toddler bed. So even though their cribs are expensive, this is gonna be not just a crib, but a bed probably until she's like 4 years old. And since we have no closets, I was really into looking for something with storage like this. I don't know what I'm gonna keep in here. I think I have our baby carriers in here right now. Yeah, his and hers. Okay, moving inside of the crib, we have these sheets from also PB Teen. I think this is from the Emily and Merritt collection. I think their baby stuff, I think all their stuff is actually so cute. And I also think I picked this up because I got it for free, again, from the Key Rewards program. He was also a gift from PB Teen, and like I said, I didn't want like anything in here to be something without a purpose. Like I was gonna buy a pillow for this chair, but then I was like, well, I'm gonna have the boppy anyways. That will be my pillow. That will be like my pop-up print in this neutral corner. And then I was like, ooh, I want decor pillows in here, but you know, babies can't even sleep with pillows. So I was like, that's gonna be a waste of money. I'm just gonna have like a little baby lounger in here. Of course, you don't want your baby to sleep with this or on this ever. And if he is not gonna make the cutest Christmas photos, I don't know what is. The only other thing we have in the crib is this blanket right here, and it was knit by my aunt, so I love it. In this corner, I would like a plant, obviously, but right now I just have a storage bin. This is a matching little storage bin to that one over there. It is from Target, and she got a lot of toys from my friend Jillian. Next up, in the other corner of the wall, we have some stuff going on here and here. This dresser is actually like Cody and my old dresser, but because all we really have is this for storage, there is no closet, I was like, let's just keep this just in case. I have been thinking about putting different handles on it, like maybe like one of those leather pulls that you see all like the boho girls doing, but based off Etsy, that costs like $200, and you know what, it's not really a make it or break it for me. I think these are size 1, then we have size 2, we have more wipes. This was like one of those little, oh my god, it was so cute, a diaper car. What else do we have? I honestly don't even know what's in here. Oh yeah, this is like preparing for the future drawer. And I think I have more preparing for the, oh no, she just has her hatch. Up top, we have some baby books. I have these little stones as bookends. I think they're actual bookends. I don't know. We used to just use them as decor, but now they serve a purpose. I think they're just from HomeGoods. You can always find stuff like that at HomeGoods. And then we got this from Amazon. These are her baby milestone blocks. Again, I wanted decor to have like a purpose, so I'll use this for photos. Right now I use it to like count down the days until she's here. For the art, I went with like yellow, white, and black, very basic because it matched the rug. And the frames are from HomeGoods, and the actual prints are from Urban Outfitters because I'm super basic. Oh, I almost forgot. Behind the door, I just got these hooks from HomeGoods again, and I have my robes hung up here and her Solly baby wraps, which I'm hoping I know how to do when she gets here. And the robes are like literally all from Pink Blush Maternity. Finally, her rugs. This one is, I think, a faux sheepskin from Rugs USA. They were having like a huge sale, and I snagged it up for like 40 bucks. And then the other rug is from HomeGoods. It was purchased like way early on, and I also snagged it up for a deal. I think it was like $30. But if I had to make a recommendation for you, just go to Rugs USA, especially now that like everything's closed. They took a while to deliver, but their prices are really good. And their quality is pretty good too. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't feel like sheepskin, but you know, that's okay. It looks like a little cloud, and I like that. Woo, you guys, I am, I think I am done. I think the only thing I haven't mentioned is we got the diaper genie. I've heard good and bad things about it. I think it's gonna be dope for our situation because there's no trash can around here, and we need somewhere to put diapers. So we got the diaper genie, and I think that is everything. I hope that you found this video helpful. I hope that you enjoyed the tour. I hope I didn't make you too dizzy. I hope I wasn't too out of breath. If you are new here, please subscribe and join our family. And I post new videos every Monday. I'm also now on the TikTok with 1 successful video, so you can check that out if you want to do that. Or I update you guys every day on Instagram. And I'm gonna go suck down a popsicle or two, and I will see you guys next Monday. Bye!